Welcome back to Hellman's Kitchen. My name is Stephen Hellman. I'm a U.S. Coast Guard veteran chef. I'm going to be teaching you how to make beer pretzel bites with beer cheese dip. Came out really good. I used beer for the pretzel bites as well, which is new to me. I wanted to try it out. I use my favorite beer, Coors Light. Not sponsored by them. Maybe they'll send me a free 12-pack, who knows. And on our Memorial Day weekend coming up here, I'm rocking my Hawaiian shirt. I hope you will be too this weekend. Anyways, this is a fun recipe to try out if you're entertaining friends and family over the holiday weekend or just any time in general. All right, our first step, we're gonna pour a whole can of Coors Light or your favorite beer of choice into the pot. We're gonna heat it up to about 105, 110 degrees or so, and basically like lukewarm or just above. Think bathroom temperature, just about to get in the jacuzzi. We're gonna heat it up just like we normally would heat up water. Empty our yeast and everything else in until it bubbles up. Throw in our flour, then we're gonna make the dough for the pretzels. I'm super excited for it. You should probably taste the beer too, make sure it's good. And we'll go from there. Now that we have our beer properly heated up, we're gonna pour it into a big mixing bowl. Now we're gonna pour in our salt, our brown sugar, and then our yeast. We're gonna do this until the yeast starts getting pretty bubbly and foamy. It's a little hard to tell with the beer. You usually have water, it's easier to tell. So just keep a close eye on it. You'll be able to see though. This is the perfect fun recipe to impress some family and friends over the holiday weekend. Came out really good, really crispy to it, and you can really tell the pretzels are made with the beer. Tastes awesome. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications to Hellman's Kitchen for more recipes like this.